Answer in one word. A structure over a road, railway tracks, or across a river.
Bridge.
An open box made of wood attached with a rope.
Trolley.
A small wooden boat in Malayalam.
Vallam.
An area covered with sand.
Desert.
A wheel that carries a flexible rope, cable, etc. on its run.
Pulley.
Fill in the blanks. Desert are covered with dash.
Sand.
Dash are used in village in the plains.
Bullock carts.
Dash does not pass through very thick forest.
Sunlight.
Answer the following. List out different kinds of bridges.
Cement bridge, iron bridge, wooden bridge, stone bridge, bamboo bridge, rope bridge.
What is jugaad? How does jugaad look like?
Jugaad is a vehicle that commonly used in Gujarat. The meaning of jugaad is putting together. The front part of jugaad look like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood.
Is easy to work on snow? Why?
No, it's difficult to walk on snow. If it is soft, our feet sink into it. When it is frozen, we may slip and fall.
Answer the following question briefly. Write few points about desert and transportation in desert.
Deserts are hot and dry regions which are covered by a thick layer of sand. Camel cart is used as a main transport in desert. It is also called a ship of the desert. A camel has a large feet which help it to walk comfortably on sand. It can store fat in its rump and can live without water for many days.
Briefly explain how the trolley is used as a means of transportation in Ladakh.
In Ladakh, children have to cross the river to go to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope where it is tied tightly with strong trees or rock on both sides. The trolley is attached to the rope with the help of a pulley. A pulley helps the trolley to cross the river to reach the other side of river in a short time.